We just walked in, it was there, the thermometer, the front door cam, the security system, and I found out yesterday you can operate the sprinklers from your phone. All of that kind of automation for me was really cool. I'm Casey.
I'm Lacey Holmes, and we live in Ponderosa. We loved the lot that backs up to the water in the neighborhood, so it was a lot preference for us. This was actually our second time to build a house. After we did it the first time with a different builder, said we'd never do it again. So to get us to build was kind of a feat, and took a lot of convincing between the two of us to do it. So I would say it wasn't nerve-wracking at all. They made it very easy. Guys,
any question we had, I don't think we went more than 5 minutes without a response on a text message. And there was one morning, I think we got 15 pictures sent to us of progress. It was a very smooth process. My favorite thing is, because I'm kind of a techie guy, is all the automation.
I've enjoyed the continuous hot water probably more than I thought I would. That's been great to be able to turn the shower on and not have to worry about running out of hot water.
And I will say during the winter storm, we had an issue with the heater and somebody was out within 2 hours. And there was a foot of snow on the ground. I wasn't expecting them, and they showed up and fixed it.
You always hear different things about different builders. Obviously, Tabor builds a lot of homes, and we had a great experience and would absolutely recommend them to other people. We didn't have any big snags. Everything was done on time and the way it was supposed to. If there was something we saw that looked amiss, again, they were extremely attentive and got right over there and made the change that needed to be changed.